If you see automobile industry in India, especially the fossil fuel industry, this industry is being dominated by well-established companies. On the other side, if you see electric vehicle industry, this industry being driven by startups like Ather Energy, Okinawa, Tunwal, PureEV, Ampere, Revolt and so on. So in this video, we will check the top 5 electric vehicle startups we need to look out for 2021. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. At number 5, we have chosen Simple Energy. This company was founded in 2019 and this company also raised a funding of $567,000 through angel investors. And one of the core founders of this company is Suhas Rajkumar. Why we have chosen Simple Energy means this company has created so much expectations from the younger electric vehicle audience. So many young users from India want their first electric two-wheeler should be Simple Mark II, because the Simple Mark II they have claimed as 280 km range in the eco mode with a battery capacity of 4.8 kilowatt hour. In addition to that, this startup has offered so many smart features like 4G connectivity, 7-inch touchscreen display and navigation, etc. So with all these factors, Simple Energy is one of the startup we need to look out for 2021 with its Mark II electric scooter. If you see the pricing of Simple Mark II, they said that it will be very affordable pricing and competitive pricing. The pricing is around 1.1 lakh rupees. And the company also said that they are planning to launch this Mark II electric scooter in May 2021. At number 4, we have chosen Ather Energy. Ather Energy was founded in 2013 and this company so far got a funding of $102.2 million through series funding. And if you see the main investors, $51 million from Sachin Bansal, who is the former founder of Flipkart, and the second major investor is from Hero MotoCorp. They have invested around $38 million in Ather Energy, and the CEO of Ather Energy is Tarun Mehta. And why we have chosen Ather Energy means Ather Energy created a benchmark in electric vehicle industry with its 450X electric scooter. This electric scooter is the fastest electric scooter which can accelerate 40 km per hour in 3.3 seconds, and it is one of the premium electric scooter available in the market. And one more reason why we have selected Ather Energy means Ather Energy is the only electric two-wheeler company who gave advertisement in television also. In the recent India vs Australia series, during the breaks you can see this advertisement of Ather 450X, and that shows that Ather Energy is very serious about their electric scooter in the market. And one more reason is the funding from Hero MotoCorp and the former founder of Flipkart also, the heavy investment also they have that pushes them to do the lot of advertisement in the television sector also. And Ather Energy is planning to expand its company in the major cities of India by 2021. So at number 3, we have chosen Oraksa Energies, and this company was founded in 2015 and the CEO of this company is Prajwal Subnis. And why we have chosen Oraksa Energies means this company is actually manufacturing a naked street bike named Oraksa Mantis. This electric bike can run with a top speed of up to 140 km per hour and can give a range of around 200 km. And this electric bike also comes with a portable battery option also. And Oraksa Energies is planning to launch this Oraksa Mantis mostly in 2021 or in the first half of 2022. And the expected price of Oraksa Mantis is around 3 to 4 lakh rupees. At number 2, we have chosen Ultraviolet Automotives. This company was founded in 2014 and one of the core founders of this startup is Narayan Subramanian. And so far this startup has raised a funding of 36 crore rupees from TVS Motors through series funding. And Ultraviolet Automotive is famous for its street fighter electric bike Ultraviolet F77, and this electric bike can run with a top speed of up to 147 km per hour and a range of up to 200 km with detachable battery option as well. And this electric bike also comes with several smart feature options. And Ultraviolet Automotives, this startup is planning to launch its F77 electric bike this year ending with a price tag of around 3 to 4 lakh rupees. Before we go into the number 1 in our list, we would like to do honorable mentions. Tork Motors, this company was established in 2010 and the founder of this company is Kapil Shilke. So far this company has raised a funding of $4.7 million through angel investment. And Tork Motorcycles is famous for its Tork T6X electric bike. Most of the electric vehicle users are waiting for its Tork T6X from the last 7 years, but there is no update of it, and people are eagerly waiting for the Torque T6X electric motorcycle. Maybe we can expect the launch date in somewhere in the end of 2021 or in the first half of 2022. And one more startup is MFlex Motors. This startup is established in 2016, and so far this startup has raised a funding of $538,000 through series funding. And Vinay Raj Somshekhar is the founder of MFlex Motors. Especially this electric vehicle startup is a revolutionary in electric vehicle industry because they made a super bike for India called MFlex One. It can run with a top speed of 200 km/h and a range of 200 kilometers. And they also announced about its upcoming electric bikes MFlex 2 and MFlex 2 Plus. At number 1 we have selected Emote Electric, and this startup was established in 2011, and the founder of this company is Pranav Singanpalli. So why we have chosen Emote Electric at number 1? Emote Electric startup is actually making India's first geared electric motorcycle. So far there is no kind of geared electric motorcycle available in the market, and this company is doing it after 7 years of research and development and more than 50,000 kilometers of testing. So the company is actually manufacturing two electric bike variants, Surge 10K and Surge 6K. The Surge 10K operating with 4 gears and Surge 6K is operating with 3 gears. Surge 10K can run with a top speed of 120 km/h, whereas Surge 6K can run with a top speed of 100 km/h. In this Surge electric bike, we have an option to keep 3 battery packs at a time, where we can get a range of more than 400 km in the eco mode. And Emote Electric is planning to launch this Surge 10K and Surge 6K in June 2021. So these are the main electric two-wheeler startups, especially the electric scooter and electric bike startups we need to look at for 2021. So for more interesting updates on electric vehicles, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. And if you like this video, please share this video with your friends and comment your opinion on the comment section below. Go green, go electric.